Gym flooring is a very resilient type of flooring, available in different colors, sizes, patterns, and texture. It's highly durable, easy to clean, and perfect for high foot traffic environments, like a gym or other busy establishment. So don't be fooled by its name, because due to the resiliency of this flooring, it's now also being used in interior and exteriors of homes. So today we'll give you the top 5 gym floorings available on the market to help you find the perfect product suitable for your needs. So let's start. First on our list is the Traffic Master Black Raised Floor Tiles. These gym floor tiles are highly durable, easy to maintain, and very affordable. Every tile of this flooring is made of heavy-duty recycled synthetic rubber for strength and durability. It has a puzzle piece design that you can simply put together, and even your children can help you install these tiles. Due to the design of the tile and the sturdiness of its tabs, you can easily remove, replace, or reposition it anytime that you'd like without any effort. The tiles also stay in place even without the use of any adhesives. One tile has a length and width of 18 inches and a thickness of 0.18 inches. Each case of 6 tiles can cover up to 13.5 square feet. With its raised coin-top design that improves the flooring traction, you no longer have to worry about accidental trips or falls. It also has a gray tile pack that's sold separately if you want to create a checkered floor pattern to your area. To use this rubber gym floor on edges, you need to mark the tiles with a straight edge and cut it to your desired size using heavy-duty scissors or your preferred cutting tool. This progress is much more ideal than having an edge piece, since you can control the measurements and the cut that you need to fit the tiles to your space perfectly. This flooring is ideal for any hard floor surfaces, including hardwood, vinyl tiles, cement, and others. You can use it in your garage, home gym, laundry room, mud room, and anywhere that you need heavy-duty flooring. Traffic Master Black Raised Floor Tiles is waterproof, shock absorbent, stain, and skid resistant. This product really ensures that you'll have a safe and hard-wearing floor for an affordable price. The second product on our list is the Rubberco Ecosport 3/4 inch by 20 by 20 inch blue interlocking rubber tiles. If you're looking for a hardcore gym floor that's not only durable but can also withstand outside elements, then this is the product for you. The tiles of this flooring are made of tough recycled rubber that reduces noise, contains vibrations, and absorbs shocks. This high-quality product provides superior underfoot comfort and support, which is ideal if you love running, exercising, and walking. It's so easy to install thanks to its interlocking mechanism and plastic connector pin feature. You also don't need to worry about the edges, since the tiles are designed to have linear surfaces. A tile of this rubber floor has a length and width of 20 inches and a 0.75 inch thickness. Each pack contains 5 pieces of tiles, which can cover to 14 square feet. You can also choose the color that will blend perfectly with your aesthetic, since this flooring is available in 4 different colors. This gym floor can be used either in residential or commercial spaces. It's specifically designed to be in spaces with heavy foot traffic and excessive moisture. You can use it in your home or commercial gym, garage, basement areas that flood, and even your driveway. Rubberco's Ecosport may be a bit pricey compared to the other gym floors on the list, but with its superior durability and features, it's undoubtedly worth investing in. So before we proceed, what are your opinions and thoughts on the first 2 products? Let us know by leaving a comment down below. And please also consider subscribing to the YouTube channel to see more reviews like this one. All you need to do is click the bell icon if you want to be updated whenever we upload our latest videos. Now back to the list. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the Fanmats Titan Tile Black 18 inch by 18 inch rubber tile flooring 6-pack. This is a stain-resistant, shock-absorbent with black matte finish gym flooring. This environmentally friendly rubber gym floor is made of 99% recycled content. It's also treated to be stain-resistant and makes it very convenient to clean. All you need to do is wipe it with a damp cloth and it's good as new. Being shock-absorbent with an added anti-fatigue feature ensures that you're comfortable and safe in the space where you install this flooring. Having a skid-resistant surface gives you a firm footing and prevents accidental trips or falls. There's also no tools required in assembling and installing this gym floor. All you need to do is connect the tiles and you're done. It's so quick and easy. However, the length of time that you can use this rubber floor is the complete opposite of the time you consumed when you installed it. With its tough durability and resilience, this product is highly reliable and long-lasting. One tile of this highly durable flooring has a length and width of 18 inches and a thickness of 0.25 inches. Each pack has 6 tiles that can cover up to 13.5 square feet. Having a black matte finish provides a sophisticated aesthetic to any space you put this mat in. This Fanmats Titan brand is ideal for your home gyms, exercise rooms, and even crawl spaces. Fanmats Titan Tile Black Rubber Tile Flooring is an affordable and reliable answer to your gym floor dilemma. Are you looking for a playful and safe flooring that you can use in your children's playroom? Then Ottomanson MultiPurpose Multicolor 24-inch by 24-inch EVA foam interlocking anti-fatigue exercise tile mat is the ideal product for you. Colorful, highly affordable, and filled with safety measures is the best way to describe this gym flooring. Unlike the previous gym floors on the list, this mat is made of a high-density, premium-quality anti-fatigue EVA foam without any toxic phthalates. With its material, this flooring provides excellent support and cushioning. It also has a lightweight and easy-to-set-up interlocking puzzle tiles. And with the edge pieces, you no longer need any cutting tools in the assembling process. You can connect and disconnect the tiles as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you can even make it a bonding moment with your children. This gym flooring is water resistant and it's ideal for a space with constant foot traffic. Having a diamond plate texture pattern design provides a non-skid and non-slip feature for additional protection. It also has a shock absorbent feature and is very comfortable to use, especially with children who love to play for a long time. One tile of this multicolored gym flooring has a length and width of 24 inches and a total thickness of 0.4 inches. A pack with 6 tiles included can cover up to 24 square feet, and it can cover a wide area compared to the other gym floors. Gyms, play areas, schools, nurseries, and daycares are the ideal space for this safety mat. Automson MultiPurpose Multicolor 24 by 24 inch EVA foam interlocking anti-fatigue exercise tile mat is a premium quality product that will certainly not burn a hole in your pocket. So, have you already found a suitable gym flooring for your space? If not, then don't worry, because we still have one more product left to review. Before we show it to you, we want to know if you have any products in mind that you want us to review next, so leave it in the comments section and our research team can check it out. Your comments and suggestions are very important to us. Now on to the 5th item. Last but definitely not least is the Great Mats Stay Lock Bump Top Black 12-inch by 12-inch by 0.56-inch PVC plastic interlocking gym floor tiles. This ergonomic modular floor tile is highly durable and resilient. It's made of recycled PVC plastic construction and has the rubber durability and the cushion like a foam. It has an active locking connector design that makes the assembling process effortless. It also doesn't need any underlayment to the surface where you want to install it. You can even install it over a carpet without worrying that it will slip. Maintaining and cleaning this gym floor is pretty convenient too, because all you need to do is damp a mop and your favorite household floor cleaners except for bleach. Similar to the previous products, it has a shock absorbent, skid, and stain resistant feature. But this waterproof gym floor takes it to the next level because it has powerful resistance to most acids and even oils. One tile of this mat has a length and width of 12 inches and a thickness of 0.56 inches. A case of this product includes 26-piece tiles that can cover up to 26 square feet, and it's also available in several colors, which gives you an option to find the tile color that'll match your taste and blends in your interior. This high-quality flooring may be ideal for busy commercial establishments like gyms, but you can also use it in your home. Great Mats Stay Lock Bump Top Black 12-inch by 12-inch by 0.56-inch PVC plastic interlocking gym floor tiles is a hard-wearing and long-lasting product that's totally worth the value of your money. That concludes our review for the top 5 gym flooring available on the market today. We hope that we helped you find your ideal gym floor for your needs. If you found the perfect product for you and want to buy it now, then just click the link to the product of your choice to get a great deal and have it delivered right to your doorstep. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell icon to keep you updated. Also, please comment down below if you have any products in mind that you want us to review. Thank you for watching our reviews, and you can still find more deals of these reviewed products in the description box. That's it for today, and see you again here on the ReviewTube channel.